The Khasis follow the matrilineal system of lineage where offsprings adopt the mother's maiden name and where womenfolk are supposed to be custodians of family possession and property. On the other hand, the Khasis do follow the patriarchal system where the male dominates society as authority within the family, clan and tribe. The 21st century has, however, changed to the extent that the fight for gender equality has now become a force to reckon with in the male-dominated society. The fast-changing 21st century is now witnessing the competition between the sexes as far as career goals and other spheres of activities are concerned. Media Plus was fortunate enough to have caught up with a young wife and mother of 2 young sons who for many years now has been juggling between home and work in order to contribute to her family's income. As independent as she has always been, Emijulet LAWRYNNIANG has been a driving instructor for the past 5 years. As a resident of Maungap block on the outskirts of Shillong, Mimi, as she is popularly and lovingly known, has been training students from her area as well as from various localities in Shillong town. Her students do not only include young boys and girls, but also working individuals who are keen on becoming the best driver around. Without any further ado, let's go meet Mimi and listen to what she has to tell us about herself and the reason why she has chosen this challenging yet interesting line of work from a choice of many others.
Jadi sedang kami ke sini jong pikat nu beje sedang tray.
Sedang tengok sedang beliau beje. Kino step sam beje ngalai exercise kan dia. Ngasakre, ngasasum, ngasakre, ngasabja, ngasani ni.
Te mentah kasi sini pidan kat nungut ki kena ki bapi kai.
Ha kasi sini ngadan cipongun rio hadin rio.
Jadi ki jaka ayu ki bawan hai kai ni akali ngapi.
Pidan keleng-keleng na umlingka na samme te gidan ki basa ibal ikai sini siapo makap kan munga diam no ani na mati kinong lagko kinong sadong kinong ibon te gidan ki batray ko pi chiru ki basa silo yuan balikai salit yang showcase.
Kamu kini ginong sya hikai ki jong pi ki bat kentai bat sindang tan di kentai.
Yuan lang bat sindang bat kentai.
Kung ka matu ang ko ganin jang kam jong sindang ma pilih ma pimo ban hikai ni akali te gidan en ki blaju kan po ki blaju ang ko ni tai ya pi sapang ka kam ko ba fikrai.
Ya kata ngam pajios no rei hakam kamdan ke jinge pya sindang ni kentai.
Tina yeng ki support ya pi ma pi training ni
ka ni ki support men para ka do ya ki support.
Iku man juang no mo kum kalong kami pi manage kum no ka por jong pi hayeng bat haba
hab ban triston dalalek hayeng hab lanchet daladep sabam satya kim step pendep kam kemudian sedang menu dia
kay ko kubor ka ba pi don ban ong shiki para kanthei para sendrang mo ki ba ap ki bawat kam ban marbun mentaki por ki ap ki kam sarkar kay ko kubor
ganda dan kam makin ap than ka kam sarkar na ma ba ka kam sarkar ka kam sitam menta te ki dei gila ban yang lagi jong kerja mga aji mo ni ba kalong punta ka na ganyi kanya kali ka kam ka bu muka iba nang kila ban di school ki kena kila ban ke ki kena kala ayo ka jimun toy ki
kalong self employment mo lala ban kusyan ni lagi